Hey, sorry for the music if you actually didn't like it. But yeah, if everything goes well, I'll try to stream some random old software in this case. Even though I'm not sure if this is even right, as I kind of feel hear like some kind of thunderstorm sounds. So have any idea if that's still like from the outside or that's just like some kind of truck? In case there is like some thunderstorm, I'll probably have to cut off the stream immediately. But for now, I really have no idea. There were like lots of, we had like a lot of thunderstorms and maybe not, okay, not quite tornado, but the weather in here was quite terrifying to the point where I actually couldn't even handle it. So yeah, we'll skip that and we'll try to get some stuff in here. So basically I have a few like, how to say, image files from magazine CDs, and I'll try to check out a few of them in this case. I just hope that everything, the stream is still kind of working, because I'm not sure if there are any issues. For now I'll assume everything is okay. Still, let me try to add one CD for now. And I might explain things that will go, it depends. Okay, let's try this, just a moment. So this is basically a blog CD. So basically blog is like a creation magazine about mostly tech stuff. It's been on, how to say, it's been here like for years, like maybe since 1995 or 1996 even, and it's still available today. I'm not sure if they still have like DVDs or CDs with the magazine, but I think they probably even stopped it at this point. Maybe not. Maybe just because like everyone has USB sticks and no one actually has DVD readers anymore. So, as you can see, there are like many stuff in here that we can actually check out. So might as well start something. So we can try out maybe College Bar. So this is like a recipe, how to say, no, cocktail recipes, I would say, app for program for cocktail recipes at least. So yeah, the usual software installer, and it's done. It froze for a bit. Okay, it's done. And you need to restart for whichever reason. So we'll do that. Even though I think I shouldn't have done it. Then I have to like log in and all that stuff. But why the hell like a simple app really needs something like this? Like you just have to like install it and run it. God damn it, I really hate opening this. Hey Ramez, hopefully everything is going well. Yeah, let me check. So it's a mixed drink program that contains over 4,000 drinks. It allows the user to select the ingredients and then search for drinks they can create with those ingredients. You can also add hundreds of new drinks using online update feature, which is probably dead at this point. Cool stream, I like software, old software. Yeah, I agree, Ramiz. It's still nice to actually check out some old software at this point. Even though it feels like I did run it and does it work? Okay, it works. And it's shareware. If you try to use it like after 15 days, then you must pay or the app will be disabled. So send 15 bucks and to this guy and that's it. And if you can register, then try something and hope that you'll actually get it unlocked. And it fails, obviously. Unless it's like, are there any odds that it could go with this, something like this? Nah. Like for Windows 95, you actually were able to actually type in the product key like all once or whichever number, and it was actually pass in this case. So for the first list, we can see like in the shade, Floating Box Tracker, Melmaturge, 1900 fuck me up, 2x4, Nightmare, 3 Wise Men, Special Magnum. Okay, those are quite all the drinks. So what's about this one? The fuck up one. So the glass, working glass. I think that for the bars they have like various kinds of glasses, and each cocktail requires like some different kind of glass, which goes to the point where you actually have an idea which one goes for what. And even for ingredients, I have no idea. I don't know even most of those, like Absolute Current, Mariner, German Raspberry Liquor, Midori Melon Liquor, Melbourne Rum, Amaretto, Cranberry Juice, Pineapple Juice. Okay, Amaretto is reasonable rum also, but not most of those. Also, what's with the sequence of images? That's also awkward. Actually, it might be the developer itself, like checking out all the bars and maybe check out the few drinks. But considering that I don't actually take any drinks, I cannot take a lot of action with that. Check the ingredients, paint the rocks legs, and that's pretty much it. But there's like lots of them. So we try to go on the bottom. There's also like martini, but with vodka. I'm not sure what's Zima in this case. Yeah, basically just like a plain list of recipes, pick something and get a recipe. So you can also add a drink, which requires at least up to 10 or 12 ingredients. Apply the specific type of glass, and that's it. So plain simple variant. Can I actually try to search for a drink? Wait. Like find drink, so used to have water, atomic watermelon, desert water, the original. So what's this? It's just water. So funny how the program wouldn't let me post this without adding mixing instructions. There are so many ways to get hold of it. You can draw it, pour it, dig for it, or simply dig it. You can get it from a well, tap, a source, a fountain, a stream. You can drink it straight up out of your hand, from glass, from a bottle, a jar, and a container. Software may have the disadvantage of containing only minute quantities of magnesium, whereas hard water might be bad for your favorite sweatshirt. But all in all, no water, no life, so get a life, care for your water. Maybe this is the best recipe overall. You don't have to actually take anything else overall. So what's this? There's also like to calculate blood alcohol level. So let me check. So for the weight, so I think that's like in pounds. So let me just calculate. I usually have like 75 kilograms. So in pounds, it's like 165. Wait, goddammit. 165. I'm not sure if this is like in kilos or not. But considering it's mentioning like ounces, I assume it is. Yeah, I'm guy. So how much you drink? See, there are one beer, one wine, or hard liquor, or since last drink, and BL, which I have no idea. Oh yeah, that's the blood alcohol level. So it takes like that. Just like one, how to say, is that like a promile, I think? Oh wait, no, it's 0.016, so it's like 1.6 per mil, I think, for the blood alcohol level. So if I try to get like 10, then I get decreased pain and sensation and erratic emotion. 20 drinks. Death from respiratory arrest. So basically that's already way too far. So what about if I try to take a bit more? Less consciousness. 10 hours. Okay, so if I actually have one drink in 0 hours, then just a bit. 2, 5. Then you're legally drunk. Deterioration of reaction time and control. I'll manage to get drunk easily by drinking like maybe 2 or 4 beers. Nothing more. And what's measurement size? Okay, so as far as I'm aware, the bars usually like go with various measures. So I only know like a splash, a shot. I think that's all. Like maybe there's like filled up or something like that, but oh, goddamn it, I really have to get rid of the top part. So we have dash, teaspoon, tablespoon, pony, jigger, wine glass, split, miniature, quarter of a cup, half a cup, cup, half pint, scoop, tenth pint, fifth quart, imperial quart, magnum, half gallon, double magnum, and gallon. So that can actually help with defining how much do you need. But that actually indicates that we have to actually convert from ounces to actual metric value. Even though it's strange in here, you have split, which is like 2 ounces, and in metric it says 59.2 ounces. I assume it meant like milliliters either way, because it goes like from the smallest to the largest value in this case. So about this, registered to no one, legal stuff. So content, let's just resolve this. Can we actually get any info? To see what can we do. So what can we make with current stock? You need at least one ingredient in stock list to use this feature. Well, let's do that. Let me try to add ingredients. If I actually manage to find how to do it. Actually, not in here. So where's the stock list in here? Oh yeah, here's this current stock. So there's 7-Up, which is the great soda drink. Comparing it with Sprite, this is much better, but I didn't see it like for a very long time in here. Okay, let's see. Let me see if we can actually find something. So I have some wine in here. I mean, in my inventory or stock. No vodka. I do have water. With whiskey, white. No. So what do I actually have? I think I have some honey liquor, but I don't know if that's even listed in here. Oh yeah, okay. I have honey, but no liquor like that. Kind of strange, but still. I think there might be one more, but I have no idea what exactly. I don't have horseradish, but is there anything else? Vodka, ale. Okay, there's like many stuff in here, and I cannot actually go quite a lot. I don't even have a beer though. I actually do have milk. Okay, I'm not like some... Wait, there's the milk and there's milk. If anyone actually knows about Omega Mart, you will actually know about the milk. It's the it's the it's the better stuff for the bones. I did have like some mixed fruit before, but I can still kind of apply that. Like I usually get some like frozen tropical fruit and then I mix it up for a fruit salad. It's kind of the easiest way to do it. I don't have lemon vodka. I kind of have lemon juice, so that can also apply. Lime juice also. I did not add milk. I did add water. They have. Okay, let me see if we can actually get something from this. So this is very small inventory at this point. So what can we get? Absolutely nothing, apparently. So even if I actually have like water, which I've added, even that doesn't apply. Okay, let me just try to add whiskey at least. Nope, absolutely nothing. So unless you have like the whole inventory of stuff, I mean the whole stock of stuff, you kind of won't be able to actually even to get some of the things. Okay, let me just add some random things. I don't have Dr. Pepper in here. In Croatia it's not even sold for whichever reason. It's kind of stupid option. Okay, so let's see if this can actually apply. So I added like lots of random stuff. Now let's see if we're going to get anything at this point. And still nothing. Oh. Runtime error 380, invalid property value, and crash most likely. Oh, and it's opening again. Yeah, I think we are done with that. Let's go back to the city. So we have Babylon Light. If you actually kind of remember, how to say, Babelfish on the old web, that I think that's basically it. So it should actually try to translate stuff. Let me check. I'm not sure if that's like Babelfish is like by them, but I know that's kind of sounds similar. Oh, and the registration part. Can I skip this? Let me try. Oh, god damn it. I really hate the mouse going up. Why the hell it's going up when it can just stay low? Wait, where the... Oh. Okay, let's see. The country... Just computers. Activating button by middle mouse, even though that's kind of broken. Okay, let's launch Babylon, and it's in here. So how does it even work? Middle, none. Actually, let's try right click and shift. I did hold shift and I have no idea what it's supposed to do at this point. So it provides on-screen information at a click in all Windows applications. All topic information, recognize word value, because which application display the word. Wait, if I try. Oh, so basically just right click and it pops up this thing and it tries to look up online, but that's not possible because we are not online. Not much else to be expected. Yeah, along with the converter at least kind of working, but I think that's like very outdated. Let me just check. Is there a euro maybe? Yeah, there's 0. So if we go with US dollar, it's kind of still the similar. But fair enough. Circle shop, nah. Fractal Explorer. I actually have no idea what's actually so special about fractals. Like I've seen people like going crazy about them. Like it's usually just like just go in and just zoom just more and more. Can I actually even make this bigger? Like I have no idea why there's a file browser and everything else. Like hold on a sec. You can zoom in, zoom out, but there's like only a small limit in here. Can you actually even stretch? Sorry Tom, I got a phone call, so missed much of your stream. I won't have missed anything you might have said to me during the stream. Not a big problem either way. I didn't actually mention anything else. I was just mostly trying to check out the other stuff. So I was checking out the college bar thing, it crashed, and now I moved on to the Fractal Explorer. And the Babylon thing, which doesn't work because it's offline. So yeah, not much of a problem. Okay, so we have, so this is like Mandelbrot, or yeah, that's the classic Mandelbrot cubed. For there's also, okay, there are many fractal variants in here, but I don't think that it's possible. Wait, test to not use it. Something that indicates that you actually want to use it. But let's stick to this. So this is still the default one. Oh. What the hell was that? You cannot start fractal landscape generator. Required library FEOGL LDLL not found. Download the skyscraper fortune6.com binary and unzip it into Fractal Explorers folder. And I don't have anything connected yet, so that's not going to happen for now. And I have no idea if it's actually even working. Let me just give a minor check on Wayback Machine. If they even have it or it's gone. It may take a while, but... So basically the point of this is basically try to zoom into some area so you can see like some various effects. I think I have no idea. I mean, it's kind of still amazing that you can go very deep with the fractals to the point where you have no idea of how far it's going to go. Like you just keep going and going, and it kind of barrel never ends until it actually goes completely black, I think. Then you're kind of stuck. You still keep going, and I think that we reached the point. So that's the limit. And I think I actually managed to even to find the section for the library. Like from, it's like around 2005 and 2006, but it seems that it has redirected, which I assume that it's for a forward, so it's not found. It's lost, unfortunately. So nothing about this can work. Okay, this is an anti-aliased image. Wait, that's applying for the anti-aliasing. No, never mind. Okay, I have no idea what's most of these things either. Wait, let me try to reset back. Did I actually reset? Okay, landscapes. That tracked. So what's this actually? Okay, I really have no idea what's this part. So there's like just lots of particles, but I cannot even zoom in on this or anything else. I don't know if you can actually do the, how to say, wait, you can render this. So let's start rendering and try to put it on desktop. Next video 1, yeah, delay, maybe not the greatest format. And now we have to check out the desktop, but not from here. Let's see, is this going to work? So we only just have like something like this and nothing else. Okay, we already had it played. There's an option there anyway. Okay, go back, go back. So is this anyhow useful for animation, or I don't know? Draw, default view, open GL view. Okay, I have no idea anymore. It's supposed to be just a fractal explorer that can go dig around. There are many options here. It's kind of looks powerful. Oh, you can actually increase it. Okay, that can kind of fit. Is this... Okay, we'll switch back to the previous size. Yeah, that's sufficient. But either way, you can still kind of like set up, you know, various colors. So it can be kind of possible to maybe generate like some kind of like visual thing, but not much else. You can also smooth it out so that you don't have like different areas. And anti-aliasing kind of makes it, should make it smaller, but the rendering time takes like much longer. Like it takes like 5 seconds. Okay, let me just disable both. But then there's like most of options. There are many things in here, but there's also Julie. I did kind of check out like the fractals, like the Julie fractal and Mandelbrot in Paint.net, but overall I have no idea what you're supposed to do in here or either way. So many things, but not much else. Free call center. Let's just install this for the sake of it. Unless it's already installed or it's broken. Okay, let's switch to desktop. So we all know about sticky notes, so we can also go with that. So it's a free program that creates post-it like notes on Windows desktop. And wait, it's here. So I assume double click and let's say, don't forget to power off the PC if there is a thunderstorm incoming. The second one is okay, will be removed. Can I not? No. Is this even possible to move around or? Okay, it can be stretched out. Okay, you can also move it, so that's nice. So this is like very basic sticky notes. Very simple, very easy. I think there's nothing wrong with that. You can also set up the layout with the font, text color. Yeah, we can also set it up in a font, so we can go with this Comic Sans at least. Maybe just keep it out a bit more large. With text color of like green and purple. That's usually the most convenient color set. For border, that can stay as it is. Put it censored. And wait, that applies only to newer layouts, I think. Wait, new note. Wait. Okay, let me delete that one. And create a new one, I guess. Oh, there it is. So let me try, if I try to copy this. And then paste. Okay, that's quite large. Now resize, move it for a bit. Wait, this is very large. If you try to like to hover it, maybe it can actually kind of stretch out, but oh man, that's kind of troubling. You actually have to try to set up to not. You cannot actually now even try to move, tweak it. Oh dear God! Just let me slowly scale this damn thing. Okay, that can fit, but okay, let's. Okay, let me just shrink this for a bit. If I can I actually even change it? Yeah, let me just change it to make it a bit more smaller. I don't want to actually fill up the whole screen with this. So yeah, so we'll keep it like that. So it's made by Thomas Escher, and the homepage, which probably doesn't work for now. I don't know if anyone actually watched my videos before, but I did make a video about this one, which is basically an app for styling windows. So more or less window blinds, just different implementation. So we can at least try setting on this one, if it's going to apply. Maybe. Does it even run? I did select the team, but nothing is happening, so I think I have to launch it. Now it should work. Maybe. Unless it crashes or something. Or it freezes for whichever reason. Yeah, I don't like this now. It feels like it's going to just crash. Does it run a startup? Report errors. So it seems to be completely stuck. Wait, there's college bar still like running, which is awkward. Let's use. Oh, oh, oh. Well, so somehow the college bar app managed to freeze literally most of the things to the point where it looked like that nothing was working, but apparently it is working. It just like halted most of the stuff for whichever reason. Hey ship Halo. Okay, so imported if you're upgraded from previous version, why not? We can just keep going and install this. I just put my name, my department. Nowhere. Oh, come on. There's so many things that I had to install and it even crashed. Oh, and Chrome is not freeware also. Oh, and there's a button. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it's fine, I think. We'll stick to this for now and maybe we'll switch later if we need. So there's the CPU indicator screensaver. Like the magazine comment mentions like it looks like the, yeah, it's a screensaver, sorry. Never mind. So it's just a plain screensaver with CPU usage graph. Wait, what the hell am I even installing? So this is, hold a sec. This seems to be something else, or it's just being promoted. I can't really. Wait, this is not just promotion, so nothing else. Oh. So what's now? So what did something break now? I can see the CPU usage right now. This is simple small preview. So there's green, real-time progress bar, text, refresh speed, and let's check it out for a bit. So very greenish and quite simple. So you have a grid with the percentage, with the CPU usage percentage line, That's usually just goes around 35% for now. So if it actually want to go up or lower, it needs to do something in the background, but for now nothing's going on. So if we try to make it faster, it should increase that. I have a feeling that this does change a lot. So if I try slower, it should be quite low. Okay, I think this is the same. And it's very awkward that this takes like 36% of CPU usage. Like if you actually consider like here, it takes like 22. So there's something very awkward. But we can keep this so that you can see the CPU usage at least. So the my cardboard, I think that's like just another screensaver where you can actually put more stuff in it, or actually just like an actual in life cardboard, but digitalized. A new kind of software, personalize your PC with the award-winning My Corkboard screensaver. Pick from hundreds of drag and drop items to create your own personal design. Add clocks, photos, calendars, sticky notes, to-do lists, nameplates, phone dialers, animated pets, and dozens of amazing gizmos. Or gizmos. We guarantee that you'll love it. Best of all, it's free. Don't make me surprised if I actually see like some kind of sponsored thing in here. It's screen. So what is a My Corkboard? It's screen saving, note taking, picture hanging, memo mining, almost organizing, calendar keeping, interactive bulletin board, and then some. Comparing it with the actual bulletin board system, this is like probably the offline version of it. And it's free for both personal and commercial use as long as you agree to the terms and conditions set forth in the license agreement. This software is provided as is without warranty. Although my cardboard is being licensed to you without charge, this software is not freeware, nor it has been placed into the public domain. So hold on a sec, is this free or it's not free? Please register, it's free. Just say it's goddamn sharer then. Ah, dear god. We will just like say, oh, it's free, but wait a second, it's not free. Some goddamn logic in here with the marketing and all that stuff. Oh wait, my cardboard registration is free. We'll show you once you complete the initial setup. So why the hell do you actually need why the hell are you actually saying it's not freeware then? If you already have a registration key, you'll be given an opportunity to enter it during the installation procedure. As an added bonus, registered users will receive our companion Active Pro newsletter, which features PC computing tips, tricks, and software reviews. Basically, spam. If you treat newsletters spam, either way. How to use it? Right click, that's all you need to know. Right click anywhere, anytime. Pop-up menus will show you the way. Of course, we've also included a complete online help guide to explain the nitty-gritty details, like how to set a prank across the network and egg a co-worker's PC. I have a feeling this is very awkward now. So is this like the actual tips or trying to prank someone? But yeah, the requirements are plain simple. Very low compared with today's requirements, which basically means you compare if this was like made today, you will probably need Windows 11, 64 gigabytes of RAM, 32 recommended, the display with 4K resolution, sound card is recommended because that didn't change for years. Mouse and pointing device required. I think that's nothing special, and approximately 5 terabytes of hard drive space because everything else has most of the frameworks being included in. Published by PC Dynamics Inc., Westlake Village, California. Copyright 1997, 2000, PC Dynamics Inc. Which there's free registration, free add-ons. Free add-ons again. With using it, it's easy. Agree to this, and well, it's like there's like some limitation thing. As is, so evaluate for 10 days. After 10 days, you must register. Registration is free. So this, if you choose not to register the software, you must stop using it at the end of your 10-day evaluation. Which kind of kills the point if you actually go offline. So install shortcuts, install a shortcut, put it on startup. Yeah, wait, what's this? Manual activation, Control Shift C. Disable current screensaver, so that's not going to work. Add the handprinting font, sure. Objects, backboard, register. And yeah, try to go registered. I'm already registered. Let's open it up. Got a registration key. This PC does not have an internet connection. Let's go with that. So yeah, you have to use that. Visit your website. And that means that this is probably not going to work. Okay. Let's just go with fake email. Okay, this won't work, so we'll go with this as it is. So the cardboard is this. 10 days left. And this is the cardboard. You just wait. You have to use the right click, not left click. Return to Windows, Gitmo, play a prank, new sticky note. Okay, let's see. So you have register software. Yeah, you can also left click also for some reason. So register the download bonus packs, visit the website, tell of friends, and F1 for help. So we know that, we know how to start, then activating, which we cannot do, working with objects. So what's with the network pranks also still? I think there's like option to play a prank, but we can also check that out maybe in the end. So the clock, 10 days left. So that's maybe the most important thing ever. Just make sure that they activate the goddamn program, which can still work fine if you didn't actually restrict it to 10 days for whichever reasons. And in case it's also free. So I assume they just wanted to open their website and go see a bunch of ads, maybe. So there's just like some event, or hold on a second, I don't get it. Wait, I closed it. Oh yeah, your name here, so I can just put, and I can set like maybe more variants. No, so just there's like just one nameplate and that's it. Lettering in gold or some different format. So yeah, nothing more special. You don't have like the pin that I have no idea how to use it. So you can just like pin something in here, but you can also just pin it anywhere. You can also pin it on a clock and it won't break. It's also strange that, I mean, the clock works, but it doesn't seem to have any other action. Okay, it has alarm. Okay, so that's for alarms then. The second sound. Okay, I mean, I didn't hear any sound yet, except for this. This is another pad. Oh, come on, just let me. So yeah, just a simple to-do list, just saving it here. The calendar with just today's date. Also not tweakable. Wait, this is scale to 70, so you can also put 100 or 200 to see how much of what's the actual day today. It cannot go any higher, but let me just scale this clock a bit bigger. And this looks kind of ugly already. This is kind of fine. We'll keep this on. We'll just keep the clock with the pins around. Wait, you can actually pin it, but that makes no sense. How do you pin it together? Or wait a second, you actually need to add a note, sticky note. Oh wait, it has red pin. So we have white green with yellow pin. With white green with a pin. Then white yellow with green pin. Purple notebook with attack. Oh yeah, that's actually the attack in here. I didn't even see it. So yeah, you have also the different lists in here. So blue notebook, book paper. Very slow animation. Let me check one more. Oh, yeah, those are all three. And with a sound. Right click anywhere and add more objects. So what's with the telephone? Alright, yeah, that's the phone dialer. So back then you could actually try to dial on dial things over the modem, I think. But I never tried it. I have to see if I can actually make this functional at any point. But for now I don't think it's possible. And another clock. Now let's see what do we also have in here. So we have stick note, clock, custom clock, tectonic clock. So this is analog, this is digital, and the tectonic clock is basically this. And you cannot actually style it, I think. Okay, maybe you can, but yeah, it's just a clock either way. Calendar nameplate, basically this. A picture. Let's see if we have okay, we have nothing in collection. So let's just use some of our images. Oh, we have none. So we'll go with system ones. Why not? Plain simple Windows setup image. Never used in a setup, but it's in here. And it takes like most of the screen. Oh, the decoration. So let's see. So we have log stem, red rose. That you can also, that feels like you can put it on a grave. Rest in peace, Windows. Wait, that's all. Balloons, bowling ball and pin, golf balls, blue push pin, green push pin, red push pin, and yellow push pin. Then route 66, and I think that's all. So you just add the balloons, add bowling ball and pin. They have to be together, not separate. God forbid if we actually make an image or decoration that has a bowling pin and bowling ball separate. And the plain tag, and oh, now I made another one. So there's a duplicate Windows now, spreading all over like a virus already. And we'll just put it like over this so that it doesn't fit for the Windows. For now it's still running stable. Now for the Gizmo there's like eyes. Oh, if anyone has Linux and they have tried the X eyes or the eyes, I would say, I think it's like either a widget or I don't know. Yeah, just like a widget in GNOME, or at least old GNOME 2. They have like nicer eyes. This feels tacky. Like just yellow and black. We can put it in here. Like Windows is watching you all over the place. This could actually fit better with Windows 11 or 10, but as 98 doesn't actually spy on you that much. Unless you're kind of just browsing the web. So we have lava lamp. And this will be nice if it actually was looking a bit more, how to say, if it had like a bit more contrast maybe. Like this is very like faded. And I think it's like maybe more animated and not like generated. We're taking a pair of rings. That's that's completely random then. I mean, I can expect the lava lamp, the eyes, okay, ball and pin, that's decoration. But having this as a gizmo, oh, you can actually toggle it on and off. But you cannot do that with the lava lamp or the eyes. I mean, you can even try to pin the eyes and no interaction. Like it was tried to explain, like the screaming maybe. Wait, I think I have an idea. Let me just check out the Fractal Explorer. Wait, where was that? Profiles, Fractal Explorer. God damn it, they actually didn't extract that file. Wait, this FEOGL, so what was that on? Ah, it missed the L, so that's not the L thing. But hold on a sec. Can actually get the resource file. Yeah, let me try using the resource hacker and see if I can get the sound file and try to play it maybe while the corkboard is on. Maybe not the fanciest idea. Oh, wait, I think there it is. That's not the sound I was looking for. Ah, that's the sound I was looking for. But I hope that I won't actually hear it in my real life. That's already terrifying. We'll play. Wait, once again. What? Ah! Nah, nah, nah. Ah! I think I need another player. This one won't work. Will not work. I think there was one media player in here. Wait, it should be M player. Wait, I cannot close the Windows folder. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can actually repeat, set up a loop maybe, or... Wait, there's no option to loop, I think. Wait, auto repeat. Okay, that should be. Wait, what's auto rewind? Auto rewind, auto repeat. Control bar on playback. Okay. Okay, let me just try to play it this quickly as possible, so that I can actually have a feeling of the effect for the eyes at least. Okay. We're done with the screaming, lady. Need to get hold on more myself. Getting so much screaming, it's not that sufficient. And I think that's all. Wait, there's more, but... Oh wait, there is more, apparently. Wait, there's like just a flying saucer. And that's maybe the most coolest thing ever. You know, it's just staying in here, doing nothing. And even bigger it looks worse because it's scaled to pixels. Hold on a second. So this actually has the sound for this. So can I actually replace that? Let me check the core board. So that should be in here, I think. Wait, that's not it. Okay, let me check from here. I usually forget that you can actually go just find target and it will give you the location of it. This is the easiest way. Okay, so there's core, so there's backgrounds, objects. So let me check with the resource hacker again to see if we can actually replace this part. So what's this? Nope. Wait. So there's that. Hold on a second. Why the hell are these sounds available? Where are they from? Wait. So there's also the paths in here, like F temp, run, hardglass, FLC, Chaz, lovesick, palm tree, celery, cellar, home, Edward, Chaz, lovesick, beach background, and resource, cheese, throw. Hold on a sec, hold on a sec. I think we forgot one more thing, and that's the pranks. I think that's the case for this. Play a prank. Yeah, just put a prank on myself. The eyes. You can send the eyes, okay. And where are the eyes? I mean, that's... Hold on a sec, hold on a sec. Is that me or that's the other? Okay, that's just me still. I'm trying to check if I'm not on somewhere else still. So that's still me. There's also Golden Blob. Wait. 9 bombs left. Run away. So what's this going to do? Okay, let's play another plank in the meantime, which is basically the eyes, and just put them on a clock. Eyes have been sent, click finish, and... Yay! Goblin's dead, and it's stuck with them. It's stuck with the, how to say... It's dead, how to say... Oh god, with a corpse! Which I even accidentally removed now. Okay, let's see. So activation, mouse position, passport, or backboard. So we have actually, we might have other images in here, I think. It's orange tile. So I try to change. That's orange tile, pastel tile, purple scale tile, rose hexagon tile. Wait. This is supposed to be a rose hexagon tile, but it looks like more like narrow hexagon tile. Splatter tile, spotted tile, white marble tile, and that's all. Medium brown tile, green marble tile, green diamond tile, ferns, cork tile, concave brick, brown striped tile, blue striped tile, beige tile. This tile looks very something close to the tiles from Wolfenstein 3D. If you actually played a few episodes and few stages, you will see such wall similar to it. Not sure about concave brick. This kind of looks fine, but the ferns are basically unique in this case. You can also make them centered, but makes no sense. Or even fit to screen. Just make it look worse. So those are just the backgrounds, but wait. Let me just keep this to make it at least simple. Or actually, there might be something darker. Okay, cork tile can fit. Like it's basically it's a floorboard, so that can apply. Now for the objects. Wait, there are many objects in here that I've added already. Network interaction, pranks. Network pranks allow network pranks to interrupt when my core isn't showing. Random pranks on this computer, seldom, often. So wait, so if I try to apply this, is this going to apply pranks all at a random time? Very odd. Stress monitor, so what? Oh. So it's start, break, stress threshold, mouse. So I have no idea what this exactly is. It like when you move the mouse too much or the keyboard, and then it activates the stress monitor, and then it takes 5 minutes. I try to maybe move around, or I don't know. Is there any explanation for this? Okay, so let's see. One of the best things you can do for yourself to avoid developing a repetitive stress injury from using your computer is to take regular breaks. The stress alarm built into my corkboard helps remind you when it's time to rest by displaying the pop-up window shown at left. The frequency and length of your breaks can be configured based upon your personal preferences and work habits. Important: if you are already experiencing RSI symptoms such as numbness, tingling, or sore hands, do not use this stress alarm as a substitute for seeing a doctor. Sleep carpal tunnel syndrome. Oh, I think I remember about this. This is something like something kind of important still. Like if you try to like use the computer for a while, you still need to like take a break, or you'll just have like some trouble with your, I would say, with your, how to say, physical skills. I would say. I cannot even remember how to say words at this point. So this just explains about the carpal tunnel syndrome. So you can also look it up online. And here's the golden guy with the bomb again. Stress level meter, percentage, stress values. It's so this seems to like, so just you need like some sort of amount of inputs, for whichever reason. Breakover sound. Okay, let's just put the twang and xylophone, whichever it occurs for the stress monitoring. Bam, and there goes the breeze. I forgot even that's how it was supposed to be said. All right. Were we actually able to even tweak something else in here? Even then we're done with this. We took some time with this. Then a drunken clock. So this is another screensaver. I did try this one before, and I kind of liked it, with one exception. You'll see why. Let me just see the drunken clock. Wait, I need to reopen this. Okay, the clock looks okay in here. Like there are not like some few options. We know that it's not registered. So when we let's try playing it. Wait. Say thank you for using the drunken clock screensaver. This software is not registered. So yeah, that's the main problem here. The damn thing is just you have to like say, if you don't want to see this message in future, visit the drunken clock website pay up a few bucks and register the program, along with the legal copyright part, which is copyright 2000 Michael Sablin, Arkhangelsk, Russia. I mean, it's still a nice clock. That's something that I cannot deny. And yeah, then it goes over and over. Along with that one, I think you have one more. And let's see, let me just check. Like, it's very difficult to see the check boxes in here. So let me switch the theme. So this one is not that preferable. Let's go with this one. Okay, now we can actually see it much better. We'll enable movement to background to make it a bit nicer. Delay amplitude and okay, let's switch back. So you'll probably have now the second skin. So yeah, the background moves. If the stream is kind of like smaller for you, you might see them like some kind of like visual, how to say, effect. I think it's like more or something like that, but at least on my OBS preview, I can see it like that. And yeah, if you can see the background, there's this very small text. I cannot actually read it from here, so I'll probably need to check out the resources again. But basically, I really like the style of the clock itself. Like, it's floating around, everything is just like going around. Except for the text. Like, that's the worst thing ever. And along that, when it goes up to 1 minute, you'll probably hear one more noise. So we'll just wait until it goes. So if you heard it, I don't know if I'm too loud or the sounds are too loud, but I think I'll keep it like this for now. Unless you want me to change something, feel free to mention it. So yeah, we have standard screen, Roman, and stamp. So yeah, the second one is stamp, the first one is Roman. So yeah, let me just see if I can actually check it out in resources. It should be this. I should keep this open because I'm opening this way too many times. And maybe just keep it a bit more smaller. So that's supposed to be in Drunken Clock. exe, let's see. I don't think that's it. Okay, let's check the screensaver. No. Okay, let's just check this. Yeah, it already has the resources in here already. So we have skin 0 and skin 2. So yeah, that's with the numbers, the clock, hands, and all that stuff. Hold on a sec. Wait, there's the background. So there's some text in here. So if I try to zoom it in, let's see what it says. Okay, that's still kind of difficult to figure it out. Can I actually change something in here? Okay, let's see. No, that's not working. Okay, let's increase this. Okay, let's just increase the gamma in this case. Yeah, that's still terrifying. Wait. I scrolled back again. So is this even possible to read? Okay, let me try again. Let's see if we can sharpen it. A few more time. No, I think that's enough. Okay, I cannot read this at all. I mean, I can see it's Cyrillic and all that, but it's very difficult to read because, I mean, you can see like maybe like I think it's like G, A, but it's very difficult. Like BOL. No, no, I cannot do it. If you actually want to read the stuff, feel free to do it. But for now, I don't think I'm able to do it with this, unless I can actually zoom in. But let me see if we can actually tweak this with zooming. Where's the zoom? Anywhere? No, that's for the calculation, but not for the effect. Yeah, I don't think there's like an option for this to make it zoomed in and then open it properly. Unless I can try, I might be able to actually open it maybe in Paint. And then zoom. No, that's worse, way worse. Alright, one more thing. We still have the text in there. So if I try, wait, I already have one open. So let's see. So there's some like resources in here already. So is it possible to remove the registration junk? Register this claim, you should pay $10. It's fast and easy. By registering, you get the full functionality version, free updates of the server, and online support. Thank you for choosing this program. The usual stuff then. That's for the icon, string table. Maybe it's in here. No, that's not it. The usual stuff. Wait, let's check from here. Yeah, I don't think there are any. These are the generic strings. And not in here either. Yeah, there's nothing even here, I assume. In the same string table and data. Even though I'm not sure what's that like large part of the text, like the large hex values in here. So the skin. As far as show not register, please at least register it. Yeah. So yeah, I think that's it for this part. Alright, let's see something else. There's a sector saver. The ecological variant. Let's see. Thank you for downloading the Ectosaver screensaver. This is a screensaver designed to sort a texture or an image from your camera. Enjoy! This salvation copy will have a very limited feature set until you register. Like mostly everything from the 90s and all the time, you have to like either have something free or have something limited to the point you have to just buy it. Warning: by selecting no to you. By selecting no, you indicate that you have read and agreed to the Firetoad EULA and use a license agreement. Do you wish to view it? No. Thank you for installing Ectosaver Screensaver. Do you wish to view the README file? Yes. Alright, it's reserved, installation, evaluation, registration for $10. $10 for each screensaver apparently. You install features, main dialog, yada yada yada. Tested hardware. Voodoo, Riva, Matrox, and Rage. And do you want to preview? Nope, you cannot. Apparently it broke. This looks nice. Let's see how it looks. Well, as much as it seems to look nice, it takes like about maybe less than a 10% of the screen. Like very nice effects with glowing, how to say, I assume fireflies at least. And with the text like the date and demo version, please register at www.firetoads.com. Welcome to the trial version. Like that's not enough. So we have a few modes. Let's see, Rainbow Desktop. Can we actually preview that? Oh, so that's also possible. We can actually just like flip it around like it's a landscape. But can actually put it a bit more, how to say, full screen maybe? Wait, there's no full screen. So there's like just 4 resolutions stuck up over here and that's all. So, and this is the largest one. And wait a second. I cannot change it. So hold on a sec. I cannot do anything then, or set settings. No. Sensitivity. You cannot change update. You cannot change camera. You can change background color. You cannot change the mode. Okay, and here you can actually change some things. Sphere pods and path editor. Even though it's not much useful when you cannot save it or load. So it's just like drawing lines. Like in a Microsoft Word when you try to enable drawing. Just have a default. Let's just see the remaining stuff then. Kinda looks nice. Enchanted pool. Not really a pool. Just very, very bright. Textured water. Well, either the water is textured or everything is broken now. Let me just check. Yeah. Let's just check the previous ones if something broke. Nope, everything's fine still. Texture water, rainbow magic. I think that's. Here's only the top 5% are available to unregistered users. Well, screw you. So not much of else that I can actually try out. Yeah. And Whore, the mischievous mutt. The screensaver with the Whore. I actually enjoyed this one, so you might as well watch it. Attention. Please read this document carefully before installing this software. The individual entity installing this software, the end user, agrees to be bound by the terms of this license. If you do not agree to the terms of this license, do not install the software and promptly delete or return the product. If this is like giving you the plutonium, it will be probably a health hazard at this point. So yeah, so just lots of yada yada yada. Okay, you won't actually get a proper mail. You'll just send it to John. Yeah, we cannot actually download new skits anyway, as we are offline. And this is from screensaver.com. I've heard that this is like very, I would say, very hostile website because it has like lots of how to say it? Lots of sponsored software bundled in. Wait, and is this thing working? What happened? Let me check. Oh, it's not responding. So that's not a good thing. Wait, and it's done. And it broke again. And we have a horde dog in here. So yeah, we have only like 2 skits in here that can be played and then nothing else. Play sound. Yeah, that's nothing much else. So let's see. Enjoy. that always kind of gives a bit of a laugh. It's very nice. And we have to launch another once again, because we cannot actually download it. For another one. Oh goddammit, what now happened? Wait a second. Goddamn place also kind of screws up. Wait, this might also relaunch again, so let me see which one will be played. Wait, let me just run again. Like hot dog. Okay, I think that's all from here. Even though it's possible to actually set up the date, and for some reason, it's set up for, I think, like Valentine's Day. Not sure why. I mean, for today is like 27, 28. Wait, no, that's 2023. 29, I think. So now it should go with something more summer-like. So yeah, you can now see the background is more like summer and not winter. Let me see if there's like one more. Let me check for 4th of July. Because I think they're like, if there's like for the Valentine's Day, it's possible that it also set up for some other events. Ah, yes, they did. They did. For the 4th of July of the Independence Day for the United States. Okay, and let me check. Maybe there's also one for April Fools. So let's see. No, that seems to be like just a spring. Let me just try again. Usually fits better that we go with some like it hot skit, because there is like the actual calendar, and there might be something else. So let's see. Yeah, no, it's just plain April's Day. Okay, there might be some other holidays. We'll try going with Christmas. I think that's 25th, I think, like, honestly. Now I'm trying to look up online for whichever reason. Wait a second. It's 2050, yeah. Yeah, I forgot even what's happening on each date. Don't actually blame me on that. Like, I have to memorize so many things. Yeah, there's like lots of snow now, but we should just switch to some like it hot maybe. I'll try to disable it next time. Ah, there it is. With the Christmas tree and decorations, this is actually quite low late comparing with the usual decorations from United States. Okay, we'll just disable this one and switch to New Year's Eve. No, the new year at least. And is there anything else that might fit? I'm not sure if it's possible to maybe Easter, but I have no idea if that's possible to even calculate. Like the calculation for that is tough. But yeah, for the new Happy New Year, the how to say, the punch and a few decorations. Oh, now it works. And now for the hot air balloon screensaver. Hot air balloon screensaver is an animated screensaver that displays beautiful scenic images while realistic hot air balloons float over each scene. Let's install. Windows install. It is normal to receive an access violation error or similar message for system files which are in use. If you receive this message, just click on ignore to skip the file and continue on with the install. Not something that you actually expect from an installer to be mentioned. It's completed. Yes, set default. It doesn't open up. Alright, let's just play it. With nice music in a desert, lots of balloons, and a clock on top left. Enjoy it for a while. Oh, now we switch to the mountains and the lake or the river. Well, it's a lake and a river in this case. Still many duplicate ones. The balloon setting. Okay, that tropical one is the largest. Oh, and we move on to I'm not sure, the plain sunset landscape. It's kind of strange how some of those like are floating on the left, tilting on the left, and some tilting on the right, and some just tilting in the middle. And now we have a background of a registration screen, basically not existing on the Earth. Register this program for today to unlock all 10 scenic images. Get free software or register online 24 hours a day with an airplane. Actually, no, that's not an airplane. That's like something. That's like that flying thing that like uses just the wind or something like that. I have no idea. I remember that it's not like the airplane, but something similar. Let's see if we can tweak something in here. This screensaver is designed to work in a graphics mode of 800, or higher. In graphics modes higher than 600, the main screensaver will be censored on the screen. So you cannot actually do anything else. Oh, you can actually make it faster, the wind speed. So yeah, we'll do that. Let's see more options. Original music files, yeah. We will keep it as is. You can also change the sequencer in here, I think. And outputs. Original images. Can also pick your own, maybe. Random order, full screen. How long to display each scene? Let's just keep it short. How many animated objects? Everything. Rate of animation, we'll keep it fast. We just have to go like full speed in here. And keep the sensitivity as is. short time of day. Yeah, we'll keep that off. And how to register even then? Oh yeah, $10 to just like get rid of 3 picture limitation. Add your own pictures. Hold on a sec. You cannot actually add your own then. So if I add 4, oh, you cannot actually go with 4. So display images. Okay, let's see. Flying over the help Windows part. Then the card stone. The blue checkboard. I have no. I couldn't even remember which one that was. And that's all again. Okay, I think that's all for this part. Then you have Maria Elena's Piñatas screensaver. Oh, you have Espanol and English. If I actually switch to Espanol, I'll probably lose my own mind. I think that's not sufficient for me at this point. Celebrating Mexico's colorful traditions. Piñata screensaver doesn't demand much from your system. In fact, you can run it any other typical screensaver on your system. If you can actually run it, you should have no problems with this one. Any 32-bit version of Windows 95B, 98, and T. It was designed for 800 600 display resolution with 24-bit color, but other resolutions should work fine too. Okay, let's install, and you need to restart for whichever reason. Once again, okay, Piñatas, no additional settings, so let's check it out. Maria and Elena, all rights reserved worldwide, hypermart.net. Freeware for personal and non-profit use only. See license agreement. Las Piñatas, 1989, Maria Elena, all rights reserved worldwide. Kinda looks nice. It's just the artwork though. Anything else? Marchantitas, 1999, 2000, Maria Elena again. All rights reserved worldwide. Some of those look like, I cannot actually remember how did they look like, but they look like, oh damn it, I cannot remember. Like some sort of enemies maybe that you have to shoot. I guess that's why they actually look like that. We have all Piñata, 8925, with lots of candy, I think. I'm not sure which candy is that, like the yellow one. The orange looks like more of a orange. Piñata Sandia, that's more of a fruit. So I have pineapple, watermelon, carrot, raspberry, horse. I mean horse as a toy, not as a meat or fruit. And I think there's also like blueberry. Posada and El Tropico with, I think those are the peanuts. So peanuts, oranges, what's the white stuff then? I mean it cannot be garlic. I mean, it's not garlic, at least I think. Pajaro Pinatero with a cat. Oh, and there's like 2 hidden piñatas, the watermelon and the blue thingy. Still, very nice set of piñatas. Mercado Azul. So, and then I actually never seen any piñata in my real life, but it could be kind of fun to see it sometimes, even though that kind of depends on actually seeing it for real, like being like this nicely designed, not just like having some like popular characters. That kind of sucks. It's better to actually have it a bit more abstract and not actually having any, I would say, copyright infringement on Pinata. Space Battle Screensaver Gamma. So let's see about this. Can I install it? Wait, it's, oh yeah, it's not installing. I cannot go back for whichever reason. Very strange. Okay, it's installed. Let's check it out. It should be in here, right? It's a screensaver. Hold on a sec, let me check the stuff. Let me check it in here. It's not in here. Okay, where the hell is it? Space Battle SS. It should be in here. Okay, Space Battle SS. By 2000 by Leonard T. Nui. Free to contact. A simple, so with 3D OpenGL acceleration. So I have to doubt that this might not even work. But hold on a sec. There's no file in here. So let me check this. Let me check in here. It should be like the S file, right? Oh yeah, here it is. Space Battle. Yeah, let me just check it out like this. Nothing is happening. I hear some sounds. Very awkward. Okay, let's see what we have for the options. So we have add alliance in here. Shield fighter, guard fighter. Okay, let's add that. We'll keep it the background as it is. I don't think there's like other options. Then for sounds. Phases, disruptors, torpedoes, small and big, and home. Video card. We'll keep it a bit bigger. Info in Illinois, all rights reserved. Version game at 2.53 for Trotsky Swords of Wisdom. For $10 you can furnish a whole house with garbage bean bags. I don't think that's a good idea. Like first of all, it's plastic. Second of all, furnishing it like all over the place will make it look like more like a basement. The terrible one. Wait, and you have like a registration where you have to like register it within 2 days, 23 hours, 59 minutes, and 36 seconds. Like that's not enough. Oh wait, we had something. Okay. Let me just add a few more things. And Rensk, Zek, Torque, and Works. And same on the other side. Just to make sure that we get most of it. Okay, I think that can fit. Test and see. Oh, there it is. Okay, that's pretty cool. I take it back. This is amazing. Sure, bang, gang, sure, bang. Very fun and very nice, I would say. Didn't expect that this would be that nice. Even just with a note that still unregistered, you can even buy it properly. Let me check back. Oh yeah, and the name doesn't fit quite well with double S, unfortunately. Wait, this is... these are sound files. So let me check, how much does it cost? $7.95. I think that's better than the other screensavers, because remember you had like the hot balloon screensaver, which was, how to say... So this was $10 for just like for just moving images of hot balloons along with the screen, with the background. But in here you actually can see like all the shooting stuff. Way better stuff. Industry randomizer, then Zigmeor. I don't think that's something special. Then this is the kind of internet stuff. So this is like the firewall thingy. I never had that installed. Actually, like supposed to like just protect you from attacks and intruders. Like you actually have reports of attacks in here. And some additional info. And not much else. We'll keep it on. There's Qt page, the HTML menu. I think that's like it's probably just development info, how to make how to say the dynamic menus in HTML using the dynamic stuff, which is basically very old JavaScript. So let's install that and see what we can do. Wait, and this is once again, let's okay, close it 3 times already. And where was it? Wait, did it close it or... Okay, let's see. New or open an HTML menu. Oh, make my HTML, the HTML menu. 3 days to expire. Copy code. Oh, jeez. So select the template, rainbow, evaluate. So just menu, preview. Use Internet Explorer. Oh, and register version description. Like that's something nice. Okay, let's see for the sample. It should provide more info. So it's a HTML program which implements web navigation menu system. It could be used in web pages with 2 layers, not affecting the content of the web page. About fade, menu faded library. It sounds like I've seen something like this before. Oh, it suddenly went to browsing the folder. How about that? And you have books. Oh, and then switches again. Wall. This isn't even animated, so I don't have no idea why that's visible. The rainbow. Oh wait. Description, 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 and description. Blue. Menu description, description, description. popular, home, menu, magic menu, new item, what's new? Oh, new, what's new? Home, new menu, traditional menu, item, menu. Efficiency is key in today's business model. Therefore, organizations must manage their hardware, software, and applications in an automated something. Because the security in Windows 2000 is highly customizable, senior level systems administrators can delegate selected tasks to lower level administrator without jeopardizing the rest of the network. The Microsoft Management Console offers the common user interface presentation tool where you can integrate all the necessary. Ladder, menu, call for balls with menu, and optional with menu. And for the advanced users, menu to how to reduce the space. That's basically all. Just how to actually design such a menu in here. Yeah, let's not save. Oh, there's the, like another email client, which is free. Can you actually even open it? Okay, it opens. And what's pulse voice? Wait, pure voice? I'm not even reading it. Yeah, create a shortcut. Read the file, open this and close it immediately because I'm not bothered to read it at this point. And you're not in the default email. Yada yada. Can we actually import? Okay, well, let's try importing. And yeah, that's the mail in here. Oh, from Qualcomm, for whichever reason. I didn't actually know that Qualcomm actually worked on email client. So that's the first. Oh, and you can see the credits. But maybe some other time. Maybe I'll play it in some way, we'll see. But yeah, just few options. Just different UI interface. And it did mention that it's sponsored. As it mentions in here, it mentions that it's not registered, it's using sponsored mode. So I assume that this will be actually showing like some sort of ads. And not sure what's pure voice. Oh wait, so that means that this will actually send a message to someone as a voice. So this will actually send a message to someone as a voice. With very, very low quality. Okay, so I did that and insert, wait, name to, okay, save as, no, attach, invalid name. Okay, save as this, now attach, oh, wait. How do you actually set it? Oh. Wait, test. Am I like, I don't know. Wait, what's now? Can I actually go use this or attach file? Can I actually attach that file that I've saved? I mean, I can save it and okay, you have to have a recipient, so we'll send it to nobody at anywhere.net. We'll just, it should be at alt. It just has an attachment, but I don't think it's like providing anything special in here. Yeah, we'll probably have to mess around with it some other time. I'll probably have to set up some kind of malware that kind of works with this. Maybe not yet, but still. Okay, we have Godzilla, which is the download manager. You probably remember about JDownloader these days, or Get Right, or Free Downloader, I think. Like, those are all things in here. And this is sponsored, but it doesn't seem that it installed anything yet. It's for optimization, even though nothing is going to work. Wait, what did I just set up? So I have Godzilla, search for files. Oh. So yeah, this is basically just a sponsored downloader software. Not sure if it's like peer-to-peer, but I think it's just like for downloading stuff, nothing else. Search thing, Clonica, ludila.com, which is about just basically how to profit by displaying advertisements. If this can actually close. Actually, I think that I can blame the chroma. Now everything's frozen. This goddamn Ludila thing almost froze everything. Wait, 1 sec. Can I just kill this thing? It doesn't give me an option to close it. So let me just terminate it. Like there's no option to kill it at all. Now let's kill. It's gone. And I think that other windows should be also done. No wait, the style is still applied. Wait, that's strange. Okay, let's switch to default. And we're stuck. We're literally stuck with chroma style for whichever reason. Oh yeah, and ludila.com thing. Wait, what's 90 minutes ago? What's this part now? Like I see this 90 minutes ago, and I have no idea where it's from. Okay, ludila.com. So yeah, how to earn money, yada yada. Yeah, one of the ways, step by step. So yeah, step 1. Advertising, basically. Step 2. Sponsors, advertising. Step 3. Promotion. So basically, more advertising. You pay for the ads, you buy the ads, and then promoting all the crap, the affiliate stuff, like all the tracking, all the advertisements, all just yada yada yada. So the business all the everything. It feels more like a scam. And like you can see, this is also an ad for free domains. So what else to expect? Oh, and you already probably know about Merc. This plain simple piracy client that provides like most of the features. Basically, most of the features like, I mean, basically everything, I guess. Okay, I'm lying. I basically have no idea what features it has. I know that it can actually kind of add scripting and maybe some styling and all that stuff. But I cannot actually think of all of it like in this place. Then full multimedia. We have a simple cool player that can play something. Well, it cannot actually play anything else other than MP3. Cabler. I don't think we have any other MP3 files in here, unless I can find them with this. Like this is like the usual stuff, so it shouldn't be a problem. Just search for MP3, and there might be something. There's no way that there's no MP3 file on my system. Ah, there is Winamp, the best one. Maybe drag and drop can work.
Winamp. Llama tested. Mother approved. Winamp. Llama tested. Mother approved.
Also, if you haven't seen, there's like the animating how to say tray icon for this. Let me just use the zooming magnifier thing so that you can actually see it properly. I'll scale it up like this. And wait a second. Is this working or show magnifiers minimized? So when it goes out of focus, it just doesn't work. That makes no sense. Follow mouse cursor, follow keyboard, focus. Why the hell it's not working like that? Like, I move it out and... oh, wait a second. I think I know. I think because I'm using the VMware bullshit. Wait, maybe it's not even that, or... I mean, it cannot be. It should still follow it if as it works as usual. Oh wait, it works only maybe on the focus screen. If I try to disable it like this, and then it doesn't focus anywhere. Okay, follow mouse cursor, and we'll keep it maybe on high. Okay, we'll try this. I'll keep it on loop so you can see the animation, and hopefully you can see it.
Winamp. Llama tested. Mother approved. Winamp. Llama tested. Mother approved.
Apparently, this damn thing doesn't work well with magnifier, so you can only see it like down here. If you have like something else that you can see, it's like better.
Winamp. Llama tested. Mother approved.
But yeah, this is very small, so you can barely see it down here. Even, unless you actually set up like in if you actually like watching in full HD, like full HD, and then just look down there on bottom right, you could have seen it. And then, well, we can see all the stuff. You know about Macromedia Flash Player, Macromedia Flash, but I think we already have that installed, and I never actually used it. Where is it? It's in multimedia. Wait, no, it's not substitute. Macromedia Flash 5. So you can actually see it in its own glory. You add a circle, sort of frame. And I cannot remember how to even do this properly. Wait, motion. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'll try to maybe some movements, like silly movements, and let's see if we can actually just give a preview. Publish preview, default flash, and that's my like 10-second flash animation. Not something that I'm kind of satisfied for. Oh wait, that's the preview thing. Let's see if I can find the samples. I think there are... okay, there are like so many things in here, but can I actually... I think there's like some other way to actually test. Oh yeah, test movie. Yeah, this is just the options that can use. But yeah, this is why most of the websites started to use Flash, because of lots of interaction without JavaScript, which back then was probably terrifying. Let's see this. Mosquito killer. Ah. One of the smallest games ever, maybe. Now, is this even possible to trick, maybe? Mosquito elements, fodder. But okay, I'm completely lost with this, as I have no idea how to actually tweak the stuff. That's the credits button. Mosquito splatter. wings. Oh, that's file. Swatter elements, hit area, hit effect, swatter graphics. But I don't think I can actually find a way to actually find some scripts in here, or how is that even done? Wait. Yeah, I'm completely lost in here. Like there's a scene in here, but how do you actually check for the functions? I cannot find that at all in here. Sense effect, scene generator. So yeah, I'm completely lost in here. So if you ever tried to work on this, you'll probably had a lot of trouble to even make games with this. I mean, it's possible. It may take some time, but still. And there's some lessons in here. No, wait, no, that's not it. I think there was like some kind of like actual sample of how they actually call it. Oh yeah, there's like the kite thing. I think it's is this. So this is like you have like one example that you can make. So you have, this is the finished one. You can select a kite, select a color, and flight. And go back. And as for the unfinished one, that has most of things broken. So you don't have the second one. Colors not working, and flight doesn't have the sound. And you don't have the movement in here. No invoice price, style, and color. And it went back because before. Wait, there's like something displayed. And back. So yeah. No wonder that that people preferred working on Flash instead of like JavaScript. Okay, maybe that's even wrong. If you actually know Flash properly, you will probably be able to make some solid website. Yeah, and there's also Winamp in here, but I think I have also the one, but still. Wait, where the hell is the Winamp?
Winamp. Llama tested. Mother approved. Winamp. Llama tested. Mother approved.
Yeah, this is like the, how to say, the old version of Winamp. We still still included the credits and the Winamp animation here, so that's kind of still nice to use. You know, it's kind of a bit broken, but it works. I'll keep that on for a while checking out other things. Explorer. Let's install this. This seems to have sponsored things. Okay, another restart. Yeah, we'll skip that. CD media code identifier. Let's see. You want to continue? Yeah, and it crashed. So I think this is like supposed to like check out what's on the what's the kind of the CD. Then there's the file manager called Frigate. Let's see that. I never used Norton Commander, so I have no idea how that works. So many options in here. 3 days left, purchase, and the clock. Very, very colorful. Colorful thing. Yeah, let's keep it on still. And there's ICO folder, which I've actually used before, and that's actually the quite cool thing. If this file exists and it's more recent, do you want to overwrite? Yeah, I don't want to overwrite. Just keep adding. And launch. So in here you actually have an option to browse the icon. Wait, I actually get the folder. Let's make a folder in here now on the desktop. It should be visible. Nope, it doesn't care. Okay, let's go with my music then. On the icon pad, we can actually see the images in here, which are kind of small. Okay, we'll keep it like this, so you can see what kind of icons you can actually have. So this is the all icons that are provided by the ICO folder, and most of them are like looking quite nice or variant. It depends on your choice. You have Homer, Doe, Office, Microsoft Office logo, Paint, Papa, Pink Panther, plus Stop Hand, Tina, which is like just like a smile with a tongue, Unhappy Face, Windows 98 logo for shutdown, Windows with a button, Win32, WinZip, right, Zach, which is Bart, Fishes, Fonts, Heart, MSN, Internet Explorer, Outlook Express, Internet Tools, Visual Basic, Daffy. Sorry if it takes me a while. I didn't watch like most of the cartoons, or as in the usual stuff that others did. Gears, TVX, Magic, Visual Basic stuff, Butterfly, Backup, Bear, Briefcase. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be a briefcase, but still. Caution, CD player, CD. That's CD player supposed to be. This is the, okay, that's CD music, but still. Check dock, default close, default open, dialer, DirectX, enter, lightning, mail, microphone volume. Yeah, that's screensaver, and yeah, that's most of it. So for the music, we can pick CD player and then apply the icon. And now we're supposed to see the new icon in here, which is the my music. So now that's the icon has changed. But how is that possible? If you actually check out the hidden files, show WIRE files, it should be in here. Okay, I think, okay, I have no idea why it's not visible in here. Okay, let's check MS-DOS prompt. I swear to God, it's supposed to be visible in here. Let's check the desktop, no, my documents. No, not my documents. Too much of Linux and I already forget how it works. I forgot to put quotes. Which are the quotes now, damn it? Let me check. Oh, okay, got it. It's supposed to be with creation keyboard and it's not. Ah, damn it. Wait, where the hell are my documents then? Yeah, it's in here. My documents, then my music. Even though it's empty. Wait, there it isn't empty. There's back the copyrighted thing from Windows Media Player 7, which is in Windows Me. So anyone who actually had Windows Me, like I did, had a sample of Beck's Beautiful Way part that kept playing all over because you didn't have any kind of other music other than that for probably a year. Okay, let's check now. And now I can actually see desktop.ini file, which for whichever reason it's not visible here. So let's open Notepad. Wait, can I open it? Okay. Now let's open it again with desktop.ini. And now I can see the class info, actually the shell class info, which is basically metadata for the folder to indicate that this is kind of a bit more special folder, as it has an icon and the index of the icon. So basically for the index, just a quick note from here I'll pick. So basically the index is basically like the position of the icon in the file. Like in Explorer.exe you have like 7 icons. So this is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think it's like up and down. No, up, from up to down, I think it is. And then it applies the icon. That's it. Very simple. So you can actually change another folder, like my downloads with, let's see. What would actually fit for icons? Internet tool sites, let's say. Then let's try my pictures. Pictures can be pictures. Is there anything for a picture then? Yeah, let's go just with paint. Most of the artwork that you've made will probably fit for my pictures anyway. Did I apply it? No, it did apply. That's for the projects, my videos. Okay, let's see if we can actually tweak the C folder. We'll try using what we could pick. What we could pick? We could pick stop icon, just to make sure that it looks like a crash. Wait, it froze. It froze. I cannot click it. So I've already screwed up. Does it work? Nope. I mean, the file is in here. It leads to, it's leading to paint icon, and it's frozen. So I screwed it up. Kill it. Refresh. Nope, it's still here. So basically that's kind of stuck. But yeah, you kind of get the point. This layer assigner. So this should actually like wait. What's that? There's a important warning. Important. Please install letter assigner on the drive C only. Trying to install it on another drive may prevent it from functioning properly. Great way to do it. Wait, there's something else important, but I forgot it. I skipped too quickly. So here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G to Z. So let's see if we can change this. Current letter A, inserting DMA select. Change it to E. It's impossible to change the letter assignment from the drive A because A is one of the several letters assigned to the single physical drive. Okay, C. We are going to change the letter drives of the drive C containing Windows. It is possible, but it's not recommended unless you are an advanced user. There are many references to Windows directory location in the registry and files, yada yada yada. If you need to change the letter, you should replace all the references by the new ones, or otherwise Windows will not start. Do you want to change it? Yeah. E in here. Wait, this changed. Did it change? Or does it need to apply? Save. I mean, still remains as it is. Clear all. We're still original. Wait. Whoa. Hold on a sec. This is dangerous. No reboot. No reboot. So wait, I switched to E. You want to say the letter assignment? No reboot. So that's kind of applied. Kind of scary. And yeah, let's just later assigner by Vadim Burtiansky. Your opinion. It is important for the author to know your thoughts and opinion about letter assigner. Please leave your comments in the guest book or email it to me, but as I said, this is currently offline. Then there's Mem Turbo, which is basically kind of scammy thing because that's basically just storing maybe most of the stuff either into the virtual memory or just maybe unloads it to the point of making things unstable. And it's a shareware. It takes 30 days and it costs how much? No idea how much yet. Just install. And where is it? Oh, there it is. Mem Turbo. Welcome to Mem Turbo. I'll be your guide as you explore the Mem Turbo features. You can turn me off entirely on the options page, but you'll see less of me as you go on. So let me lend assistance where I can. Don't forget to click the question mark on the title bar and explore the pop-up help for the various controls. So this little guy looks like from... I have no idea what's this uniform from. If you know, mention it, but I highly doubt it. So we have MEM Turbo with CPU usage going quickly, physical RAM, auto recover, free RAM, recover RAM. So MEM Turbo will now defragment your RAM and recover RAM from applications and the operating system. It will also attempt to recover memory leaks. The on-screen display will show its progress. You can adjust how much we'll target and yada yada. Whoa. You saw that, right? So defrag and recovery, scrub RAM. Deep recovery is coming your system for any and all make recovering. And can be aborted by clicking stop at any time. Scrubbing. Wow, that scrubbed like 5 times in a row. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Before 210 megabytes. 400 megabytes. Oh, I'm kind of messing up this. How much of RAM do I have? Okay, 512. So it actually stacked up to 200 megabytes. No. Yeah, that's something like that. 300 megabytes freed. Or 200. Sorry, I'm not calculating it properly anymore. So for options, then the usual stuff. So what if I actually target free RAM? Wait, this goes even more. Defrag, recovery. This is very awkward tool. And I have, oh wait, free paging file. I have a feeling that this is actually just going to apply it to the paging file and screw up my memory. Run now and defrag. Very odd stuff. I have a feeling that this is going to screw up more of things. You know what, narrow, power cover. Oh, yeah, the antivirus. Let's see. I don't think we can actually find any viruses in here, but I think we can also consider maybe disabling this. Actually, just keep this low. I don't want to actually risk something. Yeah, create. Just install this for reset and shutdown. So this will just like very simple shutdown tool for scheduling, made by Macedonian guy, and the special thanks to Vladimir Menev, Dimitrov, Martin Zivkovsky, mom and dad, and it's made by ex-alien, cross-alien maybe, by Manev. I think I'm not sure if this is like Visual Basic or not, but it looks close to it. Transmec for reading Macintosh disks, which I don't have. No need to restart. Tweaking for power users. So to completely maybe screw up. Oh wait, what's this? Even Better Express. Welcome to Even Better Express, the latest comparison shopping tool that saves you a lot of money anytime you shop online. Even Better Express can be accessed from your desktop and allows you to obtain price comparisons on books, music, and movies instantly while you're browsing the leading online shop without leaving the shop's website. Free version 1.1. This is the free version for 1.1 for Even Better. Use free of charge, and you may to send to your friends if you like. Then terms of use, basically sell all of your data and your soul. Just keep finishing it. At least you didn't bother to actually wonder what's my profile, so that's nice. And no restart, damn it. Even Better Express opening up, maybe. Oh yeah, it's opening. No deep again. And it's here. Even Better Express initialized. with some options here. You need to be connected to the internet though. Easy, follow simple steps. Connect to the internet, use Internet Explorer, go to online shops supported by it. And then yeah. So basically like today's Honey. Just literally like Honey extension. So basically you sell your soul by personality and all stuff to get cheaper price, or maybe even not cheaper price, because basically if they actually get the commission for that, you actually end up earning some money, but in the end the price of the product is probably the same as the one that's actually for the cheap price. Or actually, I'm actually kind of lost. I'm probably going to need a break soon. Hey, Glitches Laura. So, what's your opinion on Twitter being rebranded to X? I would say that it's shit. It's plain simple shit. So basically, it's this, or this, or this. I don't know. Oh, or this. So you have like it's just plain simple X, which basically sucks. And the search itself sucks. The domain sucks. Well, the Twitter itself also sucks at this point. So yeah, it's all in one. Also very scratch. No scratch for now. So my goal for now is basically to explore the software from a magazine CD that they have. So this is box CD from wait, that from October 2000. So I'm trying out the software from back then. So I did check out didn't check out the tweaking thing. So this is here's tip. Should you have a question on a feature, click on the question mark on the upper right corner of the screen. Yeah. So this is basically the tricks like you have for Tweak UI. Just disable most of the features with administration stuff. Few more features, few more features, few more features. Office features. Registry options. What's in here? We'll check out this a bit, maybe a bit later. So we have a few more games. I don't know if I can actually play this next, but let's see. I actually like this game a lot. I have no idea if it's going to run though. Oh, it cannot. It requires DirectX. Okay, let's see. Amazons and Aliens. Ooh. I also played this, and I think this is like today's called Alien Nations. It's available on GOG.com, and it's kind of nice, but it's kind of unstable, I would say. Okay, let me just close most of the programs at this point. Yeah, I wish to quit it. Oh, close this. Close. Let's just not cause a bit more trouble. I love that autorun. Not sure what you meant about autorun though. I actually have no idea what was about autorun in this case. If you mean about this, these are just plain icons. I'll maybe explain it maybe later. If you still need a question, ask me still to figure out. So wait, so the Amazons and Aliens. Let's see if we can play this. Oh, we can play, and I don't think we can actually play it. It's just I think it's broken. Completely broken. Oh, wait, it's actually mentioning Alien Nations in here, even though it's named Amazons and Aliens. And yeah, I think it's completely screwed. So now I have to wait until it actually maybe terminates it. Can I actually even tweak it in settings? Yeah, I just send it. Okay, I don't think there's an option to tweak the changes, or actually there is. Maybe let's see. It's proprietary in a lock. Yeah, it's proprietary. I'll skip this. Then there's Baroque shooting. Classic shootout with a twisted medieval atmosphere. Let's see if we can actually run this. Whoa. And this is Japanese, so whoever actually like playing the how to say, do some anime stuff, maybe this can kind of fit. There's no, how to say, noise to set up. Wait, let me... Okay, sorry, I'm not sure if this is loud or not, so if it is, mention it so I can kind of lower it for a bit, but otherwise I'll try to play this, but without saying anything. So enjoy the gameplay, at least. And I try to run it again. Also, once again, warn me if this is too loud. Wait. Hold on a sec, hold on a sec, hold on a sec. I have no idea what's the control here. Ah, ZXC. Zora, is anything still missing, or... Yeah, it's old software in this case still. Basically, that's the point of this stream. Very difficult. Oh no, it's going to be difficult. Wait, how do they actually go? I just pressed like the C button. I think that's like the suicide button. So let me try again. Okay, I think we got it. So Z is for shooting, X is for some special thing, and it's very difficult to be actually to even fight. And that's finally it. So basically, we have like the parasite weapons that can be used like to shoot stuff. We have like one main enemy, and we have a timer that for some reason freezes, and I have no idea why. How do I actually go back from it? Very complex game, but still kind of maybe a bit fun. At least that's how I would actually say it. Oh wait, there's also a bit of the option. Wait, there's all... So there are more effects in here, I think. Wait, is that supposed to be like this part or... Wait, how do you actually tweak now? Oh, I think that's it. Okay, let me try again, just to see how it's going to be different in here. Okay, I think it's the same. Okay, we'll go back. Stuff. Yeah, we'll just see one guy. I don't have time to spend on everything. Sorry if it was too loud. No one actually mentioned that it's too loud in this at this point. So yeah, fair enough. So there's still a few more games that we can actually see if we can actually run them, and that's probably maybe the end of this stream at that point. Unless there's still something else going on, but I think everything's going fine. So let's see, Blinking is I think it's like Peg Slaughter game. We can set up, run, nothing special productions, install. And play it. Oh, and we have ads. For the first time, please visit our sponsors, free games. Click here and open the whichever the page. Oh yeah, side door. Please mark your areas and interests that you may choose. How about nothing? Nothing and play. So side door technology. Download other great software for side door, which I think that they have like they are basically some ad bundled. They actually bundle advertisements in games like this. And click now to get more games. Turn all of the lights on or off or on, I guess. I think I cannot remember which this game might be. So it's not Peg Slaughter, but it's something different. I don't know if anyone actually played like All Out, which might be close to this. I cannot remember if there's some other game close to this. So let's see if we can actually solve. Very simple, very small. Until it probably isn't. And now I'm lost. This is what makes this game terrible. I actually cannot figure out how do you actually get rid of this now. Okay, I'm stuck. I cannot do it. Okay, there's more. This intermediate, there's expert, and there's genius. So there's even worse now. And there's also random puzzles, so you have no idea how much can you actually how much can you actually spend time on this to solve it. And yeah, that's it. Then there's Blockout Resurrection, 3D game of Tetris. I did play this, and oh dear god, it's asking me for marital status, annual income, gender, occupation, education. So basically personalization of ads again. No, I'm not using HP server. We'll get continue, finish, and play Tetris in some way, maybe. Let's see. Okay, that's better. So what we have options: flat, basic, extended. So multiple dimensional cubes. And we'll keep it on default for now. What else? Score, colors, standard, basic, choose spectrum. We'll keep it like this for now. And the controls. I have an idea what are the controls in here because that's disabled. Blockout Resurrection, 2K Tech. Made a remake of Blockout by California Dreams. Marked 1989, never heard of it. It has advanced high scores, which I haven't seen. Network play scores and other features says scores, exchange championship, and etc. But what are the controls? Okay, it's in here. QWE and ASD. QAD, ASD, space, and arrows. Just a moment, and let's see. Let's see how much can I handle. Can I actually make it higher level or no? Okay, we'll keep it like this now. So rotating it in various ways and then place the space. So I assume that you have to make it all blank. And oh, no, I cannot actually. I have to stack it up. Okay, this way. I'm still kind of confused by the controls because I have to go up, down, left, right. Oh, and it pops. Oh, damn it. I mean, it doesn't still speed. It does not speed up yet, which I assume that it will in the future, maybe. Now I just have to place the blocks in some way. Like on the left side, you can actually see the speed and the amount of actual tiles. I mean, how to say, the layer size of the buttons. Oh god, just damn it. Okay, I now screwed it up a lot. One down. Okay, let's see if we can actually make this faster, maybe, or no, I cannot make. I am unable to make it faster, I think. Wait, this is for 9. Okay, let's just. Oh. Okay, I have screwed up. And we're done. Even though I actually didn't mention to do anything. So, attention, this game of this version of game supports network linked to the table of high scores. So your score cannot be added into table because the real state table has been changed while you playing. Whatever this means. And you actually get the first place and nothing else. So basically very limited game, specifically because you cannot tweak the controls. You might have a like specific set of colors. You maybe set up the size and depth. So this will be actually even more heavy. And once again, you know, you get a bit more points now. mean, it's still nice, but kind of a bit limited. Combat mission beyond Overlord. I think I've tried maybe install this once, and I don't think I've managed to do. Wait, where did this go? Oh, mission combat demo. Okay, that's fine. Now what? Run it? Oh, cannot. Cannot initialize 3D graphics. I mean, there's DirectX in here, but I think that will break more things. European Wars Cossacks. I actually like this game because I've played it for a while, since as I didn't have Age of Empires before that. But it also kind of sucks when you actually realize that the AI is kind of a piece of shit. Okay, just kill. Wait a sec. Hold on a sec. Let me just fix something for a moment. I think this is kind of blamed on the virtual machine setup. So if I try to optimize it now, let's see. So I have no idea if this even worked or not. Oh, damn it. So I was hoping that this would actually work, but it doesn't, even after tweaking it. So no matter which kind of option I've selected, it won't work. So I've tried to optimize it for games, and it fails. Kinda too bad. Warfare Yacht, the shooting game of chickens. You probably heard about that maybe a long time ago. I mean, there's Chicken Invaders, but that's a different one. This is from Phenomedia, and this is the first one with a Johnny Walker sponsorship, I think. Can I actually play it? Okay, I think I broke it for a moment. Let me check again. Okay. And I'll hope that I can actually shoot. It's running too fast with the movement of. Sorry, it's too fast with the scrolling. Come on, just move it maybe for a bit. This is something that I want to play as a kid. Usually let you like just go around and try all the stuff. Oh damn it. And yeah, that's one of the more, how to say, fun games to play if it actually didn't have like some scrolling issue. But let me try again. Just give me some time to tweak and see if this is going to work. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, just like one small movement and so yeah, it would actually work better if it didn't actually had the trouble with the scrolling. So it might be possible that this is also too fast. Yeah, that might be possible. Let me just try one more time. I think I think I think at this point that can be solved. And that can be solved with one tool, which is CPU grabber. So if I try to take most of the CPU usage, it's going to make the system slow, but it should make this slower. Close. I think that's it. A bit more. About 95. Okay, I think that can fit. You can also kill the... Oh, you can also eliminate the... Oh, it's gone. The airplane's gone. You can get rid of the balloons. In later versions you can also shoot this scarecrow. But usually it's just shooting the chickens. You might be able also to maybe shoot something else. So this is like very simple variant of chicken shooting. Later editions have much more features and hidden stuff. Okay, now we managed to actually solve that, to actually play it. Very fun still. And no one lives forever. I think that I didn't actually play this at all. It seems to be a demo. I have no idea if it even works. It actually run. Oh yeah, there's the demo. It's technology demo. Wait, destination, install, normal. There's always like the third option called low, which I have no idea what it does. And there's like someone that did actually mention explain it, but I forgot. Let's see the game. Is it in here? And let's see if it's going to work. And it doesn't work. President 2000. Yeah, I'm already sick of politics. Roland Garros. Nah. Search and Rescue. Swarm Assault. Actually, this is the quite nice game. I actually have a full copy of this that could also play at one point. If it actually works. Mind the noise. The mouse control is not working, sorry. Just a moment. If this doesn't work, then I'll be pissed. Damn it. It doesn't work. Wait. Uh, yeah, it's actually stuck again. When I hope that it's actually going to work, it doesn't. If it's actually able to run, maybe not on full screen, that would be nice. Can you actually set up maybe a full screen maybe or something like that? Nope. I mean, there are like many other options like in the full version as you can see, but I'm afraid that we'll have to do this some other time. So basically, you basically have insects and you fight against other insects. If I'll see if I can actually play this at one point. There's also the capture the flag maps for the Unreal Tournament, but that's not working because I don't have a copy of it. And then Swing Hoops, basically shooting for 3 points, which whatever it is called in a basketball. Is it done? Install Unisolver, yeah, and it's installed. By Huala Inc. Oh yeah, wait, they actually make the basketballs. So play, and can already imagine how disturbing it is. So just bounce around and trying to maybe score. If that's even possible. Sorry if I cannot have any better skills, because I don't have an idea. I think this is like for the scoring part. Like they have to actually make sure that it's inside of this. And still nothing. Oh. Still nothing. This is much more difficult than you think. Oh, I get the 3 points now. So that's nice. If I try doing it like from here. Wait. So there's like this section. Oh jeez. You cannot say that this is like quite fun. I mean it can be, but it's also feeling annoying. Like it's very silent, nothing is going on except for the ball bouncing and maybe just like a single hoop. And there's like options in games. Standard 2, player customize. Oh, right to win ball size. Let's make it big. Can you actually put it in? Wow. So I cannot actually put the ball in because it's too big now. Okay, let's see. Wait, can you actually set the net to be bigger? Apparently not. It shows shot zone. Why does it say freeze background? Because the background is already frozen. Gravity wind, net height, shot zone, ball speed. Yeah, now it's stuck. Okay, let's try with the smallest ball size. And can you actually play something? 2-minute clock, consecutive shots, the game to 21. Take as many shots in a row as you can. Nope, I suck. I did play basketball maybe in school, but don't expect anything. I'm not experienced. I can just do this. I think that's the most sufficient enough in a nutshell. How do I play win hoops? Basketball shooting games designed around a real-life physics model incorporating wind, gravity, and accurate collision detection. Basically, uh, basically a nonsense because you can actually tweak everything to the point of so apparently there's like a tornado in here because the ball goes anywhere. Thank you for playing Win Hoops. If you enjoy playing, please email to a friend. Thanks. And after 7 days, both of you cannot play it anymore. Fair enough. Actually, not fair enough. It sucks. At least for me, it sucks. And there are the basic stuff in here that we probably have installed, but yeah, never mind. This is just the basic text stuff. Basically some basic tricks. How to actually like extract the icon from the apps. Check the memory status. Replace system file with system folders. Disable system key shortcuts. And yeah, some minor tricks that you can actually use in C++. Okay, so where were we? Let's see. So yeah, I think we actually check out most of this. So in the end, I'll try to screw up the system. So I'll can actually enable anything in here. Why is this not letting me to tweak anything? So hold on a second, let me check again. So this is tweaking for power users. And you cannot tweak anything. Tweaking for 5 users is now bundled with Senja Professional. The leading system diagnostic, yada yada yada. The old IDA 64 alternative, more or less. Even though you have to send $15 to actually make any changes now, so I cannot do anything. Okay, overall, let me just run a screensaver and we are done for today. We'll go with space battle at this point because that's maybe the most fun part. I don't think we can actually play any media, so no need to play any media at all. So there's also only sound. There's also like option to play audio CD if it's present, but we won't. So I think you can just enjoy this, and yeah, overall, that's it for today. Thanks for staying, thanks for watching, and yada yada. So yeah, once again, sorry. That's it, and bye. Hold on a sec. This cannot actually go like here. Okay, and this might not be sufficient. Let's make this a bit more bigger. Like 10 for each. Actually, no, not 10, 100. We'll probably have the meltdown in here. I hope that you're not wearing any headphones. I mean, there's 1000, but I think we can stick to 100 at least. One more, and hoping for the best, not the worst. Okay, this doesn't look good if it takes this long. No noise. I mean, still nothing hearing. Okay, yeah, I think that's too much. But still, either way, okay, let me just switch to 10 at least. Because then I have to actually take an actual break and finish off the stream completely. Okay, let's see if this is going to work well. As far as I'm aware, there's no noise from my side. I mean, as far as it looks fun, there's no noise, unfortunately. But yeah, let's just conclude it like this. So, that's it. Bye, and thanks.